going, everybody? For today's video, we are installing this, what do you call it?
V2, I don't know what it's called.
Okay, the third brake light with F1 function. Apparently this is the V2 version 2.
With the functionality of the switch.
And what that is it has a switch instead.
Where the? Oh, right here.
That comes with the kit. That I guess you can choose whether you want the F1 function on or not. So it's basically the same as the V1, but just has a switch wired in. So we are installing that today. Let me crawl under here. You can see, already took out all these clips. There's one here, same on the other side. Pull this back. You have this part in here, 2 little tabs, and you pop out. You want to show them this too? And you pop this out to put the light in. Then when you go in the trunk,
Just clips on that.
take clips out. This should pull
The 3 clips are going to be right here, down here.
inside. Pull it out. Then after you do that, you pull back, take out this clip, or if you have the cargo net, I guess it's a screw, but this is a clip. Pop it out, peel this back, get to the wiring, and we'll show that here in a second. Okay, here's the harness. One end goes into the factory one in the car, comes around, attaches to the factory harness. Then you have these 3, red, black, yellow, that hook up to this end right here, and then this end goes onto these, and should be good to go. This is the plug-and-play kit, so we don't have to do any splicing, anything weird. Full-on plug-and-play, comes with everything, and they even give you extra connectors and stuff too, I guess, if you mess up. So yeah, we'll get this thing on and hopefully it works. There it goes.